Now, members of the African Union recently adopted a proposal presented by Kenya and Sudan regarding the withdrawal from the International Criminal Court by its members. CCTV's Girum Chala sat down with Vincent Nmehielle, the African Union's legal counsel, and asked him about the AU standing on this matter and the trial of former Ivorian President Laurent Gbagbo.
Over the just concluded African Union summit, the AU adopted a proposal presented by Kenya and Sudan to start a procedure of pulling out from the International Criminal Court. What can you tell us about this?
A number of concerns have arisen. The AU, of course, had approached UN Security Council prior to this time to defer a number of these cases, and there appeared to be no clear and concrete response to AU's concerns. And that became the order of the day, in which case the African Union, as the umbrella continental organization, had to make a decision regarding Africa's engagement with the ICC. And from every summit, a decision is made to re-emphasize this.
At the moment, the ICC is looking at the former Ivorian President Laurent Gbagbo's case in The Hague. How do you view his trials at the International Criminal Court?
It's one of those cases that you say it's quite unfortunate that it had to happen. And it's still within the same arena of Africa being the weak sport for the ICC to easily gain ground. And then, of course, a lot of people will have a lot to say about how that case came about. But one thing I need to be very clear about is that the AU is very, very concerned about not according sitting heads of states the immunity that they are supposed to enjoy under customary international law.
Do you think former President Laurent Gbagbo is going to get fair trials at the International Criminal Court?
As a lawyer, I will assume that every case will have facts, right, on which it is based. There will be evidence, right, and there will be an evaluation of the evidence. I will assume that a court that is established to do justice must be in a position to ensure that fair trial happens. And the lawyers who are on the defense side are also there to ensure that fair trial happens.